So I've already done one pitfall trap here, and now we're going to do 10 paces directly straight in front of the other one in order to do the second pitfall trap. So it's directly about 10 paces.
In this area we'll dig a hole precisely a bucket deep. So make sure that
which lovely Chloe and Sarah will be doing. Now the hole has got to be big enough and deep enough in order to kindly fit this bucket, as Mia had said. Yep. In order for us to know whereabouts our trap is, it has to be labelled appropriately. We are using a bright coloured ribbon. We are southeast, and this is pitfall number 6, as Max have done. And we will be putting it in a nearby tree at eye level in order for appropriate seeing. So this just indicates whereabouts the trap is, what direction it is, and also what number pitfall trap it is. Go. In order to see if our hole is big enough, Mia's just going to place the bucket in to see if it's an appropriate height.
It should be sitting just below the surface.
Yeah, and as we can see, it's a little bit still sticking up on this side, so just got to dig a little bit deeper. Now we are trying again with the bucket. Okay, so now the bucket is sitting just under the surface. We've made sure that it sits flush with the ground, and so now we're just filling it in. Notice how the handle has also been placed upwards in order for us to easily pull out the bucket once the trap has been done.
Hold on, do you want to leave on standby so we can just chuck it all in at once?
So now that the hole has been done, we will fill it in a second, but at the moment we're just getting the GPS tracking of where the trap is set in order for us to find it again if need be. Okay, now that that is done, Mia is going to place some leaves within the trap, and a little cylinder is used in order for a hidey hole. And this is just so the animals have somewhere to hide when they're being trapped. Now Max is going to use a hoe in order to create a line for where we will set the fence line for the trap. They have to be opposite each other and as straight as possible.
What number are you up to, Kerry?
And now Mia is going to set up the fence line with the help of Max. And this fence mesh is used in order for the animal that we are capturing to run along, and eventually they'll run along the fence and then fall into our trap. And it is just being hammered into the surface and making sure that there is no little holes underneath the fence so no animal can go underneath it. And Chloe's going to do the same at this end. So now the fence has been securely placed in. It is nice and tight. The little metal tongs are being used in order just to secure it and keep it nice and tight, just so no animals can get underneath and escape. Or knock it over. Thanks, Mia. I needed that one. Sorry. Yeah, no, I wasn't being sarcastic. Oh my gosh, we've been doing this for how long? And so there is 2 on each end. And voila, we have a finished pitfall trap. Dun, 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 dun! And this is the final product.